Makkah to Madina by train, the Haramain high-speed railway. Come with us to embark on this journey. Back in the day, before modern transportation, this journey would take days. By bus it can take 5 to 6 hours. By car 4. This train takes 2. We got economy seats, and the leg room and overall comfort was amazing. Check out the amazingly clean toilets. I mean, come on. They've even got the spray gun. On a train. How to book, prices, baggage and other details on blog. And the most impressive thing is of course the speed.